Understanding the phrase, bond over, a comprehensive guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we are going to dive deep into a very interesting and widely used English phrase, bond over. We will explore what it means, how to use it in sentences, and provide some examples to help you understand how to incorporate it into your daily conversations. So, stay tuned and let's get started. Bond over is a phrasal verb in English, which means it is a phrase made up of a verb and a preposition or adverb that creates a meaning different from the original verb. In this case, the verb is bond, which means to develop a close connection or strong relationship with someone. The word over in this phrase doesn't have its literal meaning. Instead, it helps to convey the idea of sharing or experiencing something together. When people bond over something, they develop a closer relationship because they share a common interest, experience, or feeling. It is often used to talk about the beginning stages of a friendship or relationship, highlighting the moment people find something in common that brings them closer together. Examples: 1. We bonded over our love for hiking. 2. They bonded over their shared interest in photography. 3. My sister and I bonded over our mutual admiration for classic literature. 1. Identify the common interest. When using bond over, make sure to specify what the people are bonding over. It could be a hobby, a type of music, a movie, or any shared experience. 2. Use it in the right context. This phrase is usually used in a positive context, describing the formation of a good relationship. 3. Practice with examples. Try to create your own sentences using bond over to talk about your experiences or imagine scenarios where people might develop a close relationship because of shared interests. And that wraps up our lesson on the phrase, bond over. We hope that this video has helped clarify its meaning and usage for you, and that you feel more confident using it in your own conversations. Remember, practicing new phrases in different contexts is key to mastering them. So, keep practicing, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.